Foreign aid is not for the hungry. It is a bribe paid by the West to your dictator for his silence. Aid builds prisons, not schools. It is the salary of your overseer. The West pays for stability, you pay with your life. Aid builds prisons, not schools.
The rice is a weapon. The leader sells the aid on the black market to pay his generals. You get the crumbs.
Humanitarianism is the cover for the transaction. Your hunger is a leader's asset. The more you suffer, the more he gets!
The West needs a compliant monster. They pay for stability because a democratic people might say no.
Democracy is too expensive for the donors. They prefer a single hand to shake and a single throat to choke.
Democracy is too expensive for the donors.
The aid sinkhole is a strategic choice. If the problem is fixed, the money stops. So the leader ensures the misery.
Misery is the revenue stream of the tyrant. He will never let you be free because freedom doesn't come with a check.
Misery is the revenue stream of the tyrant.
The guilt is the product. Western citizens pay to feel good while their money buys the bullets that keep you down.
Charity is the lubricant of oppression. You are a commodity in the industry of compassion, a ghost in the machine.
Charity is the lubricant of oppression.
The world is a deal. Stop waiting for a savior. The savior is the one who pays the jailer. Aid is the price of your captivity. The grid is locked, and the key is held by a donor. You are sold! Aid is the price of your captivity.